In this art video for kids, I will show you how to draw a strawberry. This is drawing for kids. Kids drawing. And we're going to be using 3 different colors. The color black, the color green, and the color red. So you can get your crayons or your markers and your paper, and we will learn how to draw a strawberry. Please subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. Now I will show you how to draw a strawberry. So with your black marker, we will make the outline of the strawberry. We're going to make the outline of the strawberry. We'll put a leaf right here on the stack. Yeah, let's put a leaf right here. Then we'll make the outline of the strawberry. It's almost like you're making a heart shape. You're watching Drawing for Kids. Kids drawing. Just follow along. Yours doesn't have to be perfect because mine is not. It's all about having fun. Now we'll put a few round circles in the strawberry. You can put them anywhere you want to put them. You don't have to do exactly what I am doing. Just be creative while you're drawing your strawberry. It's all about having fun and learning how to draw. I'll put one more down here. Now we will use the color green. Make the lines a little thicker. Okay, we have shaded in our strawberry. You can shade in the circles just to make it a little bolder. Just making the definitions more pronounced. Okay, now we will use our green color and we'll do the leaf. Here you go, and we'll also do the stalk. You're watching Art for Kids, drawing for kids, kids art, where drawing is fun. And I'm showing you how to draw a strawberry. Strawberry is a healthy fruit. All fruits are healthy. You should practice eating more fruits and less candies and sweets. Here you go. Now for our strawberry, the rest of the strawberry, we will use our red color. Our red color. Here's our red color. And we will shade in our strawberry using the red color. Gotta be careful, you want to make it nice and neat as possible. Pretty sure you're doing a great job following along. We will be making more videos like these, more art for kids, more drawings for kids. I'll be providing more fun drawing contents for kids. Kids drawing. hope that you're having fun learning how to draw a strawberry. Remember, it does not have to be 100% perfect. Mine is not. It's all about having fun doing what you're doing. The more you practice, the better you become at drawing. This is the fun part, coloring. Coloring can be fun. And here you have it, a strawberry. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Drawing for kids. Kids art. Children art. And in this video, we have learned how to draw a strawberry. Please subscribe to this channel for more video for kids. More art video for kids. Thank you. Until next time, stay safe.